guys, welcome back to Clem's Recipes. Today I'm going to be making strawberry chocolate crepes. They're going to be really good. Let's go. Here are your ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 cups of milk. You can also use almond milk. Chocolate spread, I'm using Nutella. Sliced strawberries, I've already got mine sliced. And some powdered sugar to put on top. And you're also going to need a bowl to mix all of it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by pouring 2 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. And then I'm going to crack 3 eggs in. There's 3. Make sure you're not getting any eggshells in it, and wash your hands after. Now that our butter is melted, I'm going to add it into here. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so I'm turning my stove on to high, and I have a pan like this. You're going to need a 1/3 cup measure, and you're just going to take 1/3 cup here. It is not 1/3 cup. Here's my 1/3 cup. I'm gonna pour it in here, and then you're going to swirl it around. Looks like I need really good. One for you, one for me.